Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to use the Windows 11 File Explorer, take you through the various parts of the Windows 11 File Explorer and the various tools and features you can have in the new Windows 11 File Explorer. So with Microsoft soon to cease support for Windows 10 and the imminent release of Windows 12, every Windows user needs to get a grip on how to use the File Explorer in Windows 11. So the first thing we're going to look at is the various ways to open the Windows 11 File Explorer. So the usual way is to click on the File Explorer icon on the taskbar, and then you would have opened your File Explorer. So you can see the various parts. You have the navigation area on the left, and then you can choose to select any of the folders in the navigation area to view your file. So the File Explorer, basically, just as the name sounds, is used to explore your files and folders on your PC. The second way is to right click on the start button and then select File Explorer, and then that would also open File Explorer for you on your Windows PC. And then again, you can see all your folders on your File Explorer. You can also see your system drive or your system disk. The third way is to just open any folder at all on your PC. So on this desktop, I opened that particular folder, and then you can see that it gives me the same. Even though I opened that folder with that content, you can use the navigation area of that particular folder to view the other parts of the File Explorer. The fourth way is to search for it in the search box by just typing Explorer in the search box and then clicking on the File Explorer icon to open the application. Last but not least is to press the Windows key on your keyboard plus the E key on your keyboard at the same time. So press and hold Windows key, and then also press the E key on your keyboard to open the File Explorer. So let's look at some of the tools you can use in the File Explorer. So we have the sorting tool. When you click on it, you can sort by name, you can either sort by type, you can sort by ascending or descending order, and then you can also group your stuff in those categories. So you can also click on the sorting and then sort by date modified. And the moment you select any of the items, you can see that it changes to that particular item's features. And then on the toolbar, you can also select view and then select the size of icons you want in your File Explorer. We have the extra large, the medium icons. You can view it by list, you can view it by tiles, select content to view your items in the File Explorer by contents, and then you can also use or select the details. I like to always view my content in the File Explorer in the details view. So select whichever one you feel is suitable for you. So when you also select the three dots, you have the three dots beside the view button. You have all those other options you can choose from. So when you select an item in the File Explorer, you can actually select or view the properties of that particular item. So we have the details pane. So select any item in the File Explorer and then select the details button at the top right to view additional details of that particular item you have selected in your File Explorer. So in this case, I've selected the VLC application, and you can see the file size, the type, dates modified, and then the location of the file. You can click on the details pane to turn it off, just as we saw earlier. So on the tools bar, you can also have these, you will also have these other tools: the cut, the copy, the rename, the share, the delete, and then all those other tools. We also have the new. When you click on it, you can create a new folder instead of right clicking and then selecting new folder. You can just use this tool right there, the new tool on the toolbar. Select Microsoft Word document if you want to create a Word document, and just open it and then start typing. It's as easy as that. If you don't want to go through, if you don't want to go through the stress of searching for the application in the application list, you can just open Explorer, click on the new, and then select the application, which is Word. You can also add a text document using the same approach. And the good thing about Windows 11 is that with anything you type in a text document, it gets saved even without you saving it. And then the next time you open it, the same stuff will be in your test file. You can create a zip archive file. There's a lot you can create with that new button in the tools bar. Let's now talk about the back, the forward, and then the up arrows at the top left corner. So the back actually takes you back to a previous folder or a previous location, and then the up arrow takes you up to a parent folder, a folder above the subfolder. So it takes you back to a parent folder until you get to the home folder. So clicking the up arrow takes you back to a parent folder, but the back arrow takes you back to a previously opened folder or previously opened location, just as we are looking at on the screen now. Okay, so in time past, especially on Windows 10, if you wanted to open different locations, you would have to open a lot of Windows File Explorer windows so that it doesn't confuse you. So just as I'm doing now, this is what we used to do on Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. If you wanted to open different locations, you needed to open different File Explorer windows. But in Windows 11, you can have a single File Explorer window but have different tabs for different locations on your PC. So just open a single File Explorer app or File Explorer window, and then open multiple tabs. Then select the various locations you would want to explore on your PC without the need of opening additional File Explorer windows. So you can see that I have about 3 tabs in the same File Explorer window open, and then you can use the forward and then the back arrows on either side of the tabs to scroll through the tabs. So you can see the first tab has my desktop. So if you want to do some work on your desktop, I can just click on the desktop tab. If I want to play some music, I'll click on the music tab. If I want to watch any videos, I'll just click on the the video tab to take me to my videos folder, and then I can start playing my video and watching my video. If I need to do any work, if I need to send any document to somebody in the documents folder, I'll just click on the documents tab to send that file. When you are done using them, you can then close them using the close sign at the right side of each tab. So back in the Explorer toolbar, or back on the Explorer, the File Explorer toolbar, click the View, mouse over Show, and then select the navigation pane to turn off the navigation area or the navigation pane. So that is the navigation area. So when you click on it, you will hide it. This is the Windows XP style. So just double click on your items to open them without the navigation pane or the navigation area. Again, click the View, mouse over Show, select navigation pane again to unhide it or to bring it up again. The next thing is the item check boxes. When you select it, you can select items on your PC, the files, the folders on your PC using checkboxes without having to use the control key or the shift key. You can just use checkboxes. Next is so select it again to turn the item checkbox selection off. Next is the file name extensions. When you select this, every file on your PC will have the extension attached to the file name. So I have these two files, a text file, the text document, and then the Word document. You can see that it just says text documents and then Word document. So when I click View, mouse over Show, and then select the file name extensions, you can see the extensions have been added to it. The TXT meaning it's a text file, and then the docx meaning it's a Word document file. So turn it off in that way. Next is the hidden items option, or the hidden items view. In the system drive, when I click on it, I highlighted everything, and I can see that there are only 13 items in the system drive. So when I enable the hidden items and then go back to select the items in there, you can see that now there are 17 items showing now, meaning that there was 4 hidden items that were not showing earlier, but now since I enabled the hidden items view, those 4 items are also showing again. So that is how to hide and unhide hidden folders and files on your PC. So select it again or deselect it to disable or to hide those files and folders again. So select View again, and then select Options in the drop down list to take you to the folder options. Select the View tab to see the settings we saw earlier, the Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. The next one is the Hide Extensions for Known File Types. When this is selected, file name extensions will not show, but when you uncheck and then you click Apply OK, the file name extensions will show. The last one I want to show you is the Use checkboxes to select items. We saw all these 3 earlier. So the last thing I'm going to show you in the Windows 11 File Explorer is how to perform a search on your Windows 11 File Explorer or in your Windows 11 Explorer. So if you are sure of where the item you want to select or search for is located, click on that location, and then you can perform the search in the search box. So I selected the downloads, and then in the search box you can see that it is written in the search downloads. Now it's selected. I selected videos, and then I see search videos. So the location you select is where the search will be performed from. So now I've selected home, and then you can see the search box has search home. To perform a system-wide search on your Windows 11 PC, you need to select the system drive. You can also select this PC if you have other partitions, if you have other drives. You can select this PC to search your entire PC for files and folders that you're looking for on your Windows 11 PC. So guys, this has been a video tutorial on how to use your Windows 11 File Explorer, the various parts, the various tools you can use to make your work easier on your Windows 11 PC. So kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to support us, to bring you more of such videos and to grow this community together. Click the like button if this was helpful, share the video, turn on notifications for all, and then I will see you guys in another video. Thank you. Bye.